All right, West Ramp. Got a little rain. A little rain never stopped me.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know, this is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present. Don't plan it, don't wait for it, just let it happen. Could be a new shirt.
Got one. Neko Rig. Down there. Nice little chunky guy. Nice and slow. Mystery tackle box. What a funky looking little Senko bait. Little picture. All right. This little 1 pounder. I just got hammered on the drop and then
Right now?
nothing.
Yeah, they're picking it up. They're skittish.
Yeah. Hit it and then. So what I was using on that one was a little package that I got in the mystery tackle box this last month, and it's a Senko looking kind of bait, but it's kind of got a funky little shape to it, and it's kind of sparkly on one side and a little darker and then a little lighter on the other. And it's a Neko Rig setup with the nail weight right here that goes right into this part of the worm right here. And then they sent this little bitty hook here, and then I put the band around the Senko style bait in the middle, and you hook it as you know would do a Neko Rig. And yeah, it was good because it wasn't getting caught in the rocks there, and they were hitting it on the fall too. I only caught the one fish today because I only got to fish for about 45 minutes, but they're liking this bait. And this is from the mystery tackle box this month, so it's pretty cool little Neko Rig setup.